How do planes fly? Have you ever asked yourself, how do airplanes fly? Passenger planes weigh hundreds of tons, but they glide through the air like birds. Airplanes have really big engines, and that's one thing that helps them fly. But it is really all about air. There are 4 forces involved in flying a plane. First is thrust. It is the force that moves the plane forward through the air. It is created by the propeller or a jet engine. Second is drag. Drag is the force produced by the resistance of the air to the forward motion of the plane. The third one is weight. It is the force created by the pull of gravity toward the center of the Earth. The last one is lift. Lift is the upward force generated by the movement of air above and below a wing. Each force has an opposite force that works against it. Lift works opposite of weight. Thrust works opposite of drag. When the forces are balanced, a plane flies in a level direction. The plane goes up if the forces of lift and thrust are more than gravity and drag. If gravity and drag are bigger than lift and thrust, the plane goes down. A plane accelerates during takeoff. As the aircraft goes faster, lift increases due to the increased air movement. When lift is greater than weight, the plane shifts upward and leaves the ground. Now we know that air and the 4 forces of flight make airplanes fly.
Do you know that fuel tanks of passenger planes are in the wings? Now, you know.